like, subscribe, and share.
Hey, this is Mary. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to try a dessert that my son found in my new favorite cookbook. It's Southern Keto. So there are so many fantastic recipes in that, so if you'd like to try it, it's on Amazon. Okay, this recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. Put them in a bowl. Those are the Lily's chocolate chips. And it calls for 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I need to put that on low heat and bring it up to a boil. So when it comes up to a boil, we're going to pour it over top of the chocolate chips. So I'll see you when we boil. Alright, our heavy whipping cream has come up to a very low boil. So we're going to take it off right quick. Okay, Jackson, hang on just a second. Move your hands so you don't get burned, okay? Let's pour this over top of here. We got to let it sit for just a minute or so until that starts to melt. Then when it starts to melt, then you can help me stir it, okay?
I'll stir it all by myself.
Okay. Is this going to be Jackson's cooking channel? I lost my channel already. Okay, go ahead and start to stir it, Jackson. See where it's starting to melt? Don't splash it.
And then you want to stir it.
There you go. Gotta teach them quick. Okay, here, let me help a little bit. Okay. I've never made truffles before. And this sounds really good. I mean, who doesn't like chocolate?
Me.
My dad.
Yeah.
That's who. He is about the only person I know that doesn't like chocolate. But I know my mom certainly would be eating this up if she was over here.
I love chocolate.
Me too. How does this smell?
Delicious.
Okay. Finish stirring it up.
I'm going to taste the batter.
We'll taste it. Okay, hang on. Let me get you a spoon.
I wonder what it would taste like.
I don't know. Taste it and see.
Chocolate chips.
Okay. Now I have to let this cool for a few minutes down to room temperature. Then I have to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So we'll see you back when it's time for the next step. Okay, took the truffles out, and you're supposed to take out a teaspoonful at a time and roll them into little balls. This would be probably easier if you had a little teaspoon, little cookie scoop. Well, guess who don't as of yet. So I'm using my teaspoon measuring spoon, taking out about a teaspoon.
And really,
you know how lots of people make this look really glamorous and everything? It's not. It's kind of messy, but that's okay. It's for the family to eat and it'll be fine. So I'll go ahead and continue rolling these and we'll show you the finished product. Alrighty, this is the end of them. How did you like rolling those up, Jackson?
good.
Okay, you want to lay yours right here? The recipe called for rolling these in cocoa powder or chopped nuts. So we did hazelnuts. So I figured I would give it a try. Is that good? Do you want hazelnuts on yours or do you just want to eat yours?
Just want to
Well,
eat mine with cocoa powder on mine.
Well, we'll do that in a second. Here, try it. See what you think.
Which one?
That one's yours. Go ahead and try it. Is it good? Tell Tommy it's good.
But I want cocoa powder. I'll just put mine back on the pan.
That's good.
Mom, can you put...
Needs to be a little sweeter, I think. But it's really good.
Mom, can you put my cocoa powder on now?
In a minute. Alrighty, there you go. Thank you.
Like, subscribe, and share.